10वी अच्या म्हणजे माझ्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांची प्रागतिक विद्यालयाची ऑनलाईन लर्निंगमध्ये मी स्वागत करतो. स्पेशली जे विद्यार्थी दोज स्टुडंट्स अटेंड every periods to respect all teachers. Saili Songare, Ashish, Ketan, Tejas, Mamunkar, then Ganesh, Gaurav, काही नावं राहिलेली आहेत, बट ऑल ऑफ यू आर. आय एम प्राऊड ऑफ यू ऑल द स्टुडंट्स. मला त्यातली त्यात अजून गायकवाड, प्रियंका पाटील, साळुंके या मुलांशी जास्त कॉन्टॅक्ट होत नाही आहे. मी प्रयत्न करतोय. पुढे we start our new topic, life process in living organism. This topic belongs to our science and technology part 2. हे 2 चॅप्टर आपल्याला आहेत आणि महत्त्वाचे आणि गुण मिळवून देणारे महत्त्वाचे चॅप्टर आहे. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दिस लाईफ प्रोसेस, we will discuss the question that given in your textbook. First question, you also write down, how are the foodstuffs and nutrient contain useful for body? How are the foodstuff? Write down questions. How are the food stuffs useful and nutrient contain and useful to our body? First tell me what is nutrients? Can you tell me the name of some nutrients? Do you know? Okay. Food contains nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamins, then the salt also. They are also important for us. How they are useful to us? You know that energy is required to perform the various life process occur in our body. Without energy, we can't do anything. And main that energy is obtained from these nutrients. In short, foodstuff provide us nutrients like, write down the names, and these nutrients provide us energy which is useful to perform different life process. My second question is that what is the importance of balanced diet for our body? Second, what is importance of balanced diet in our body? Last year in 9th standard we already discussed on this balanced diet. What is balanced diet? The food stuff which contains every nutrients. The food which only provide us carbohydrate, it is not a balanced diet. ते आपल्याला बॅलन्स डाएट होऊ शकत नाही. त्याला मराठीमध्ये सुंदर नाव आहे संतुलित आहार. संतुलित आहार म्हणजेच ज्या आहारामध्ये हे घटक कमी अधिक प्रमाणात असतात. And that is why our foodstuffs contains various types of vegetables, then dal, chapatis, achar. These the foodstuff that provide us such types of nutrients. That means the diet which provide us the nutrients, that is called as balanced diet. What is importance? Yes, it is important. Yes, the balanced diet is important because these foods provide us all types of nutrients. If we take only one type of food continuously, आपल्याला सवय असते एकाच प्रकारची भाजी एखाद्याला आवडते तीच खाणार, वेगळ्या भाज्या आल्या की तोंड वाकडं, नेहमी चायनीज फूड खायचं, बाहेरून ऑर्डर करायची, तेच ते परत परत खायचं, एकाच प्रकारचं अन्न आपण सतत सेवन केल्याने कुपोषण, malnutrition, and that is why it is very important to take the balanced diet. आपल्या आहारामध्ये आपल्या आईने दिलेले सर्व चपाती, भाजी, लोणचं, पापड, डाळ, भात या सगळ्या गोष्टीचा आहार घेणं गरजेचं का आहे? बिकॉज you are well educated. In 9th standard we saw the importance of this balanced diet. It is not necessary to tell us that is the importance. My third question is that which different functions are performed by muscles? Which different functions performed by muscles in our body? You know the contraction and relaxation of parts, movement of our body is performed by the muscles. You know the types of cardiac muscles, they present on the heart, rhythmic movement of our intestine, stomach, all these functions performed by the muscles. Why it is important to discuss on this question? Because all these questions are related with our life process. First, I tell you that which are the life process that you know: digestion, circulation, excretion, ingestion, respiration, such types of life process that found in living organism, and all these questions are related with this topic. When you seriously discuss on these questions, तुम्हालाच या प्रश्नांची उत्तर जेव्हा विचाराल तेव्हा तुम्ही लाईफ प्रोसेसला अधिक टच व्हाल. My next question is that what is importance digestive juice in our body? What is importance digestive juice in our body? You know, the certain proteins, fats, vitamins that are present in our food, which is absorbed by the digestive juice. You know, the carbohydrate, our digestion is start from our mouth, because these such types of gastric juice, bile juice, saliva, certain types of juice is secreted by our internal organs, inner part of our stomach as well as mouth, and these digestive juice is very important to absorb the such nutrients. That means आपण काय सांगणार, डायजेस्टिव्ह ज्यूस हे अन्नामधील या पोषण तत्वाचं शोषण करतात, पचन करतात, डायजेस्ट करतात. दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट. Then which system is action? Which system? हे सगळे प्रश्न तुम्हाला तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये पहिल्याच धड्याच्या सुरुवातीला आहे. त्याची उत्तर तुम्ही मी आता सांगतोय ते तुम्ही आठवणीत ठेवून लिहायचे. Which system in action for remove the waste material? Which system action to remove the waste material? Which system action? Digestive system. Digestive system मध्ये small intestine and large intestine. Large intestines which remove these waste material from our body with the help of rhythmic movements. That means digestive system action to remove the waste material from our body. Then next question, what is the role of circulatory system in energy production? हे प्रश्न मी तुम्हाला सगळे पाठवणार, तुमच्याकडे असणार पुस्तकामध्ये. What is role of circulatory system? In production of energy. You know, energy is required to perform the life process. Okay. Then what is the role of circulatory system in production of energy? You know that these all systems collectively works together. A coordination is present in between these systems. As soon as we take the oxygenated air which is entered in our lungs, but circulatory system, that means blood circulatory system. What is the relation between this respiratory system and circulatory system? They are performed coordinately. They are connected with each other. As soon as oxygenated air enter in our lungs, at same time blood is circulate around the lungs and oxygen is absorbed, which is utilized to production of energy. These oxygen is circulate, reaches to each and every cell, which is absorbed by the cell membrane, utilized for energy production. You know that which organ of the cell is involved in the energy production? Which organ? Various types of cell organelles. That cell organelles is called as powerhouse of the cell. Do you remember? Which organelles is called as powerhouse of the cell? We discussed from 8th standard. 8वी मध्ये 9वी मध्ये सुद्धा आपण सेल ऑर्गेनेलच्या ऍक्टिव्ह फंक्शन्स पाहिलेले आहेत. Mitochondria, yes, right. You know, mitochondria, cell organelles, is called as the powerhouse of the cell because mitochondria provide us energy, utilize oxygen which is came from blood. That means oxygen required for energy production is provided by the blood to the cell. That is the role of circulatory system. That means in short, what which sentence we can write? You can write down the circulate blood provide oxygen to each and every cell, which is important for the production of energy. Indirectly, the circulatory system involved in the production of energy. And my last question is that how are the various processes occurring in the human body controlled in how many ways? थोडक्यात या सगळ्या ज्या लाईफ प्रोसेस आहेत या कोणत्या सिस्टमने कंट्रोल होतात आणि याच प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आपल्याला लाईफ प्रोसेस इन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये शोधायचं आहे. Do you like to study this topic which is very familiar with our daily life? आपण आपल्या शरीरामध्ये होणाऱ्या वेगवेगळ्या लाईफ प्रोसेस कशा चालतात थोडक्यात इन डिटेल नाही तरी सुद्धा ओव्हरऑल आपल्याला हे लाईफ प्रोसेस बद्दल शिकणं आवडेल आणि म्हणून हा धडा आपण व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करायचा आहे. लाईफ प्रोसेस इन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम पार्ट 1 and 2 we can study from the next period. We will start, and all when you find out the answer of these questions, 50% chapter will be finished. But first we'll have to find out the answer of these questions shortly, and all these answer हे कुठे शोधायला जायचं नाही. पहिल्याच पॅरेग्राफमध्ये याचे उत्तरं दिलेली आहेत. तो मी प्रश्न आणि पॅरेग्राफ तुम्हाला पाठवतोय. तारीख आणि वार हे लिहून ते प्रश्न आपल्या वहीमध्ये चॅप्टरच्या नावासहित लिहायचे आहेत. हॅव अ नाईस डे. तुम्हाला थोडक्यात शुभ रविवार असं म्हणा. ओके.